Welcome to Best Choice. The best Nemo Chair Camping is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable pieces of outdoor gear you can invest in for your adventures, offering a perfect blend of portability, durability, and ergonomic design that transforms any campsite into a relaxing haven, ensuring you can fully unwind and enjoy the natural surroundings without compromising on comfort, making it an indispensable companion for hikers, campers, and anyone who loves spending time in the great outdoors. Number 5. Helinox Chair Zero Ultralight Camping Chair. Introducing the Helinox Chair Zero, the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. It's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry wherever you go. This chair packs down smaller than a water bottle, so it won't take up precious space in your backpack. Experience ultimate portability without sacrificing comfort. Crafted from advanced aluminum alloy, its frame is both strong and incredibly light, supporting up to 265 pounds. You can rely on its durability for years to come. The seat is made from durable ripstop polyester, designed to withstand harsh weather and UV rays. Plus, it's machine washable for easy cleaning. Setting up is a breeze thanks to the single internal bungee cord system. You'll have a comfortable seat ready in no time. Ideal for camping, backpacking, hiking, and more, especially when every ounce counts. Enjoy reliable comfort on all your journeys. What we like. This chair is incredibly light and packs down small, making it perfect for long treks. If you are a backpacker or hiker where every ounce counts, this is the one for you. Its durable frame ensures it can handle the rigors of the trail. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, even for extended periods. It's incredibly easy to set up and take down, which is a huge plus for camping. The compact size when folded makes it very portable and easy to store. Number 4. Overmont Oversized XL Camping Chair. Experience ultimate comfort on any outdoor adventure. This chair offers exceptional support, making it perfect for camping, sports events, or simply relaxing in your backyard. Sink into luxurious comfort with high-density cotton filling. It provides superior cushioning for long hours of relaxation, ensuring you feel completely at ease. Enjoy lasting durability with reinforced stitching and an innovative tilted design for enhanced ergonomic support. It's built for comfort and made to withstand the elements. Stay refreshed and organized with thoughtful features. It includes an oversized cup holder, an insulated cooler bag, and a side pocket for all your essentials. Take comfort wherever you go. It folds down in seconds and comes with an improved carry bag for easy transport and storage, ready for your next outing. Looking for the ideal gift? This chair combines portability with luxurious comfort, making it a fantastic present for dads, friends, or anyone who loves the outdoors. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with this generously padded and oversized seat. If you prioritize comfort and need a chair that can support a heavier load, this is an excellent choice. The integrated cooler bag is a fantastic bonus for keeping your drinks chilled during extended outdoor sessions. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, even for long periods. It's incredibly lightweight and packs down small, making it easy to carry on hikes. The sturdy construction and high-quality materials ensure durability. Number 3. Alpha Camp 2-Pack Camping Chair with Cooler. Enjoy double the comfort with this set of 2 camping chairs. They're perfect for sharing with a friend or family member and come with carry bags for easy transport. Keep your drinks cool and close by with the integrated cooler bag. It holds up to 4 cans, perfect for staying refreshed on a hot day. These chairs are built to last with high-grade fabric and a strong, rust-resistant steel frame. They can support up to 250 pounds, offering stability for everyone. Stay organized and relaxed with a convenient cup holder and a large side pocket for your essentials. The ergonomic design and padded armrests ensure comfort for extended use. Weighing only 5 pounds each, these chairs fold easily for quick setup and takedown. They are ideal for camping, fishing, sporting events, or simply relaxing outdoors. What we like. Get double the seating for your adventures with this value pack. If you often camp with a partner or friend, this set offers great convenience and savings. The built-in cooler is a handy feature for keeping refreshments close at hand, making it ideal for tailgating or beach trips. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, even for long periods. It is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for camping and outdoor activities. The chair is made of durable materials and seems built to last. Number 2. iClimb Low Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Chair. Experience ultimate portability with its low-profile design. This chair is engineered to be lighter and more compact, making it ideal for any adventure where space and weight are a concern. Don't let its minimal weight fool you. Constructed with premium materials, it offers exceptional strength and durability, supporting you reliably on all your expeditions. This chair packs down incredibly small, fitting easily into your backpack or travel gear. It's designed to be your go-to seating solution, no matter where your travels take you. Setting up is a breeze thanks to its intuitive, tool-free design. You'll be relaxing in no time, with a simple and quick assembly process. Designed with breathability in mind, it features mesh panels to keep you cool even on warm days. Plus, a convenient side pocket keeps your essentials within reach. Whether you're camping, hiking, or enjoying a day at the beach, this chair is built to enhance every outdoor experience. It's versatile enough for countless activities. Enjoy added stability with its anti-slip feet and a design that prioritizes your comfort. Remember to use it on flat surfaces for optimal performance and longevity. What we like. Embrace a minimalist approach to camping with this low-profile, ultralight option. If you enjoy sitting closer to the ground and value a compact pack size for long-distance travel, this chair is a great fit. The breathable mesh panels will keep you cool on warmer days. What people say. The chair is surprisingly comfortable and supportive, even for extended periods. The design is also very practical, with a built-in cup holder and a side pocket for essentials. It's incredibly lightweight and packs down small, making it perfect for camping trips where space is limited. The setup is also a breeze, taking only a few seconds. The sturdy construction and durable materials give me confidence that this chair will last for many adventures to come. It handles uneven terrain well and remains stable. Number 1. Gonex 5th Gen Ultralight Camping Chair. Introducing our 5th generation camping chair. Its innovative X-shaped frame distributes weight evenly, ensuring stability on any surface. This design prevents excessive pressure on any single point, making it reliable wherever you go. This chair folds down to a slim, flat package in seconds. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry. It also comes with a strap, so you can sling it over your shoulder or carry it by hand. Built with a durable 7075 aluminum alloy frame and a unique X support system, it offers exceptional stability. It can confidently support up to 330 pounds, providing a secure seating experience. Setting up this chair is a breeze, taking only about 20 seconds. The intuitive design means even first-time users can assemble it with ease. Unfolding the frame takes just 5 seconds. Its ultralight design makes it perfect for any outdoor adventure, keeping your pack light. Take it camping, hiking, to the beach, picnics, or even for indoor use. It's your go-to seat for any occasion. What we like. This chair offers impressive stability and a high weight capacity thanks to its innovative X-frame design. If you need a reliable and sturdy seat that's easy to set up, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for various outdoor activities where a strong, dependable chair is essential. What people say. The chair is lightweight and easy to set up. The chair is very comfortable and supportive. The chair is durable and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.